Well, traders, I'm back. We are back funded. It took us about 7 to 8 trading days to get back funded. I might be a little off, but we are back funded and we are on our road to 10K. So let's go ahead and hop on the charts and see what we can extract from the markets today. Let's go. I took a banger trade with the live community and the gang, and they took dubs too. But I didn't record it, so we're just going to go over the trade really quick because I got to go to work. I'm going to breathe, but I'm going to show you guys the trade that I took. That was a banger. We'll also see, I guess, if it hit TP4. I got stopped out in profit, so let's go ahead and hit the charts real quick. All right, so now that we're on the charts, as y'all can see, this is the trade I took. I took some sells today. And then let's just start all the way over. I got out kind of at the 10 o'clock wick for $448 times all 5 of my accounts, but it very well may go hit my TP4 here. So let's go ahead and start on the daily time frame. As y'all can see, very bearish pressure coming into the markets. And we were under the 13 EMA on the daily time frame, so I was generally looking for some sells. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see all my support and resistance zones. Price dropped from this level, picked up and then broke from that level, came down to this level here today. But these levels were created because of the strong pushes higher, breaking structure here, very important level, strong push higher, break of structure here, very important level, same thing for that one. So let's go on down to the 1-hour time frame. There wasn't too much on the 1-hour time frame for me to mark out. It was the same lines from the 4-hour. So let's drop down to the 5-minute. And starting out, we can already see price was very bearish. So I was again looking for sells. We got our trend, bearish trend. We had the break of structure. It's a break of structure here, but I liked it more clean on the 1-minute time frame here, where we broke structure here, broke structure here, and we're starting to break structure. We broke structure here. So this was liquidity that market was before market open. Market open kind of around here. And then we got this tap. I marked this out a little bit later than normal. I had these two marked out, but you know, price just, it didn't look like it was trying to come all the way up here because of this chop zone right here, this liquidity. So then I marked out this zone and then it started rejecting that zone. So I was like, you know what? I'm cool with risking it because it was the same amount if I would have did it from here to here. I risked 5 contracts on this order and we took the short after we got the tap. So we go back to our, after we got the tap of the zone, boom, we waited for the break of candle entry. We got a bearish candle. That would have been more conservative, but I just waited for the break of that candle to reassure myself that I wanted to get in this trade. And as y'all can see, we were in drawdown just a little, and market could have stopped this out. It can do whatever it wants to do. But then, of course, we dropped. When we dropped, then we kept dropping. Once we hit 1-to-1, I moved my stop loss to break even. After that, it was cool. It started dropping a little more. I moved my stop loss to a place that made sense, which was right here after this high was created. And then surely after that, we started breaking structure. Price started chopping around. We broke a low again. And then I just moved my stop loss to secure a little bit more profits. And then sure enough, 10 o'clock came around and wicked us out. But that's okay because as you guys can see, it's kind of playing around now. I got to go to work, so I don't want to be caught up in this, and it very well could reverse from there. So dub trade today. My live took it with me in my Discord community. If you want to get on live with me and take the same trades as I do, but not really because I don't really like people taking my trades. I prefer to teach you while we take the trade, so you at least know why you're taking that trade. But if you want to join and learn and build the skill that will give you that financial freedom, go ahead and click the link in my Discord. The link in my description box, I'm sorry. And you can go ahead and find me Monday through Friday at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, ready to trade. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one.